Hi, my name's Dave Moore from the Stratasys 3D print team here at Tritech 3D, and we're here today to have a look at the slicer, which is the part that sits between the CAD and the printer. Now for Stratasys, we use GrabCAD, so each printer comes with its own slicer. Some of them are open source and supported by the community. This one's supported by Stratasys. So what does the slicer do? Well, in our instance, it takes a CAD file direct from the CAD and enables you to interact with the CAD file. So for example, holes, faces, you can all interact with them. Now, when we're printing things like this press tool, we've got here an A-face, which is what's going to use to press the metal part. So we want to be able to tell the software not to put a seam down this face, otherwise that'll get reflected in the part. Similarly, we've got a few clamping holes on here, and we want to be able to thread them. And we often find that the CAD doesn't put the description of the thread in the hole, it just shows it as a blank hole. GrabCAD will enable us to add a thread into the hole of the part without us having to do it in the CAD. So these are the kind of things that you ought to be looking for in a modern slicer. It makes the workflow a lot simpler, makes the whole process a lot easier, rather than using a community supported one. So I hope that helps. Hope it helps you come to a decision about which is the way to go. Got any questions? Get in touch with the team.